Can you generate high-quality B2B leads using Facebook and Instagram? Let me make that really short. The answer is yes. And in this video, I'm going to explain in detail how it works. Because all my businesses are B2B businesses, and in both businesses, we get most of our leads and clients from Facebook and Instagram ads. We also run Google ads, but they work okay. However, they cannot be scaled. And the reason why is simply because, well, there are a lot more people who need your services, but just a few of them, approximately 5%, search for these services. And you will be invisible on Google search if people don't search. But you can show your offer and the problems and the solutions related to your offer to the right people on Facebook and Instagram, and you will be able to generate high quality leads, even if people don't search. So how does it work and why it works so well and how you can make it work? That's exactly what I'm going to tell you right in this video if you stay with me till the end. So, how do you make Facebook and Instagram work? And I think a big myth is that my clients are not on Facebook and Instagram. I hear this all the time. And that's just a false belief because honestly, everyone is on Facebook and Instagram when they are sitting at the toilet scrolling their feed, when they are bored sitting at the couch watching boring television, they scroll their feed, right? Everyone does it, from simple employees up to managers, CEOs, and business owners. They are all there. Just the thing is, they are not actively searching for solutions or services on Facebook and Instagram. They just want to get entertained and eventually inform themselves about some new opportunities, see some crazy stuff, see what AI can do for their business, for example. But that's the big opportunity. They are always online. This is where the attention is, and you can catch them with a problem that you can solve. That's all marketing is about, right? That's what you need to do on all the platforms. If you just talk about yourself and communicate what you do and who you are, I'm sorry, nobody cares. What people care about is that you understand their problem better than they do, and that you have a solution, and that they believe and trust that your solution can also work for them, okay? That's the job of your marketing. So now the main thing is just, how can you precisely target the right people on Facebook and Instagram? On the opposite or on the other side, if you go, for example, with LinkedIn, you can precisely target people by job roles. You can target them by the size of the business they are working in and all other kinds of attributes related to B2B. And that makes people believe that LinkedIn is a much better platform for getting B2B leads. And while this is the case from the targeting perspective, at least on the surface level, I found the opposite is actually true, because I test LinkedIn ads every single year again, and every single year I stop it after a month, because Facebook and Instagram works so much better if you know how to target the right people and how to make this platform work to find the right B2B audiences for you. One important thing is, it's not how you think. The targeting doesn't work how you might think, and it doesn't work how it worked in 2020 or 2022, when you could layer in all these interests on the ad set and precisely target people based on interests and behaviors and other demographics. It doesn't work like this anymore, because now targeting is based on AI. So you need to create an ad, and in best case, a video that speaks precisely to the type of people you want to target. Right? You need to start your ad with a relevant hook that only speaks and resonates with these people that you want to get as a lead. Now, here's the next problem typically. If you don't know what a high quality lead looks like for you, then of course there is no way to target them, and there's no way to create an ad creative that resonates with these people. So the first step is really to be very clear about the attributes a person needs to bring or have so that you would rate this as a high quality lead. Typically, this is of course who they are, eventually the industry. Who they are also means their job role, if you want specific job roles in B2B. They need to show clear interest in your product or services, right? And they need to have the money to pay you. But if you target B2B, typically the money is not a problem. If you are really targeting B2B, right? If you just target beginners who want to start a business, well, they typically don't have the money to pay you. But if you pick the right identity you want to win as a lead, right? If they are a marketing manager, for example, or CEOs or product owners or any other job role, and you create an ad with a hook that speaks precisely to these people and resonates with them, then well, Instagram and Facebook will work awesome for B2B lead generation because the AI will find other people that are already engaged with your creative and show your ad to these people that are similar to people who already engaged. But that's only on the surface level, right? The optimization of your targeting, or in other words, who will see your ad, is based on engagement with your creative, but also based on the conversion goal you've set. So if you've set a conversion goal, for example, that people need to visit your landing page and then fill a form and go to the next step, one very important trick is that you add a gatekeeper question to your landing page that asks qualifying questions. Don't ask for the email address yet, ask qualifying questions and only report a conversion event back to Facebook when the person answered these questions correctly. Or in other words, when the answers show you that this is the right person based on the given attributes, okay? Job role, company size, and what else you want, right? You need to make this clear in the beginning in your hook that you just want these people and repel others. And you need to filter people on your landing page to report back only conversions of the right people to Facebook, because then the AI works for you and you train the AI with correct data. And what happens if you don't do this? Well, if you train the AI with trash data, you just get more trash traffic, and that results in more trash, low quality leads that don't respond or just waste your time. Of course, this won't work from you set up the campaign and instantly you get the highest quality leads. No, you need to keep your campaign running and optimizing, ensuring that you get enough conversions of high quality people so that the AI gets trained and learns properly and targets your audience more precisely, right? This takes time, but it works very effectively if you set it up properly. So that's why Facebook and Instagram is, from my experience, a lot more effective for B2B targeting than LinkedIn if you have an offer that is not relevant for the whole market, but relevant for, I would say, 30 to 50% of people. And here is why. Because if you can target your entire market precisely on LinkedIn and you have an offer the whole market needs, for example, a marketing offer, every business needs marketing to grow, right? So you can show this to all people, and it doesn't matter that LinkedIn does not have optimization based on conversions, which means that only people see your ad if they are similar to those who already, for example, fill the form on your landing page and clearly show an intent that they are interested in your offer, right? So then the AI would optimize for people who are interested in your offer, not just based who they are, that's what you do on LinkedIn, but also based on like how interested they are in your offer. That's how the targeting and the optimization works on Meta, Facebook and Instagram, and not on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, it's just based on demographics, but there is no deep AI engagement-based targeting using a conversion objective that you set on an ad set like you would do it on Facebook and Instagram. So if you are interested in getting a plan showing you which revenues and profits you can achieve once you have an optimized funnel that gives you high conversion rates on every step, then I want to invite you to just click a link below this video. There you can get a free growth plan created from an expert in my team. And I want to set 100% correct expectation. Just because you have this plan doesn't mean you get these results. You need to set up your funnel and optimize it based on KPIs so that you hit these KPIs. And then your funnel will deliver the performance as projected in this growth plan. Otherwise, if you just set up your funnel, you let it go and you hope it will work, something might work, but typically you won't get the revenues and the profits and the return on your investment that you want or that this plan forecasts, okay? For this reason, we've created an AI marketing system that generates all the content for your funnel very precisely, optimized for high conversion rates with very consistent messages from your ad and your landing page so that you get the high conversion rates that you need in order to have like cheap cost per lead and still have high quality of leads instead of just getting trash leads that don't respond and don't buy. So everything is below this video. If you feel this helped you understand how you can find high quality B2B leads and if LinkedIn is better or Facebook is better, then I would appreciate if you give me a like and subscribe. I'm going to release 2 videos a week helping you grow your revenues and your profits with AI, automation and systems so that you can grow faster and work less. I'm looking forward to the next video. Cheers and happy scaling.